Hey guys, welcome back. So it has been a couple weeks since I put a video up. Haven't really done a lot, had a lot of work come through, so this has kind of been put on the back burner, but that's why it's a project car. I do have an extra set of lights thanks to Chris, or Mindy J, as you may know him on YouTube, which will be replacing the orange for clear, so that'll get done today. I've also changed the engine oil, the diff oil, and the transmission oil, which is getting done today. And then that's pretty much it. We're kind of at that stage now where it's the maintenance and maintaining stage.
Feels like Hercules put this bloody filter on last. There's no need to have it this bloody tight. It almost feels a little bit like deja vu under here, but once again, as per last time, make sure that you can get your fill plug off before you do your drain plug, because you don't want to be caught out. So I can get my fill bolt loose, which is a 30mm, which is fine. But I am experiencing some drama where someone has tried to take this off and has actually rounded out the edges. So these are a 13mm. I'm going to try with a spanner to get it off, otherwise I might have to bash a 12 onto it. It's just free spinning. So whoever's done this has really fucked it. There's not a single bit of that that's catching. Did I get it? No. No. Fuck yeah. Alright, try number one with vice grips. Yep, not doing nothing. Yep, that ain't gonna come off. That's, yep. Thanks, whoever owned this, thank you a lot. Alright, so couple of hours have gone past and a pool swim because the heat kind of got to the better office, but it's on the way down now. Went over to Super Cheap and picked up a bolt extractor set. I'm not too sure if that'll get in focus, but yeah, so the bolt extractor set comes in varying different sizes, all the way from, I think it was 8mm to 19, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 19. So Only comes in 3/8, which means I got to get my 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. But I have another diff at least, which is the original one that come with the car. So that's got a good plug on it. If I can get this off, then I'll put that plug back in until I get another one and put this plug into the bad diff. But we'll go and get my adapter and give it a shot and see if we can get the oil out. Short of getting my jack in here and using the jack as a leverage. Oh, got it. I think it just needed that little bit of a crack. Let's have a look, eh? Yep, we got it. Let's move you back a bit. We got success. I'm interested to see what this bloody oil looks like, given that I wasn't able to change it and the person I bought it from said it had been rebuilt. Well, it's come out better than the last one that was in there. We've got it, it's off and it's in. This one's not as good, but like it's not as bad. It's still rounded, but it's workable. Alright, now the fun part is using my little pumper to pump this back up and get the oil back in. Perfect. That's what you want. And then chuck our little high performance tag back on. We're tight. Just a really short, quick one today. So she's back in her home, back in her spot. All fluids changed, quick drive around the block, took the oil back down to Super Cheap to drop it in. Really glad they offer that service because it means I don't have to dispose of it. Lights changed, they look phenomenal, and it drives buttery smooth now, so which is really good. I've got this sounds like an exhaust rattle. I need to kind of figure out. So I found another exhaust because this one is welded from front to back. So block to tip, fully welded, not a single flange on it. So gonna need to speak with a mate about getting some flanges put into the extractors at the end, and then get the new system put on, which is a full 2.5 inch the whole way through, and then get some cat upgrades, seeing as one of these cats has pretty much died, but I'll put that clip in here so you can hear it.
other than that, come through for the next one. I think the next plan will be to take the trim out and give that a good steam clean, and then I want to do an audio upgrade, but that'll be a little bit of time away, so we'll see you on the next one.
Savannah.